Showed you my anime titties. Please respond. Hey. Today I am going to try to transform myself into an anime girl. You know, I don't know, I just don't want to be real. Like, isn't it weird that like we're human? Anyways, I have a reference picture. I don't know who it is in the picture, so I don't really know who to credit. These eyebrows are from like 5 in the morning when I was half awake. You could tell they're way different. Oh my god, how embarrassing. Oh my god, what the fuck? Did you see that? What the fuck? Oh my god, I hate my life. Disgusting. So we're gonna start with the eyes. Hopefully I could do this because hooded eyes, so it's kind of hard to do eyeliner. And like my left one is like more hooded than my right one, so like I always have to do it different. It's really annoying. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. It's just I've been so lazy and so tired from work. They've been having me work literally 6 days a week. It's like, are you trying to kill me, bro? Like, hello? Like, I literally just woke up like maybe like 2 hours ago. Right now it's like 6 p.m. But I had work at 5:30. I swear, like my brain just cannot function. The other day I was like drinking like crazy, like so lame. Okay, I didn't want to go anywhere, but like my mom was staying over for the weekend, so me and my mom were fucking drinking. I was drinking Jack and Coke, and then my mom had Patron, so we were taking shots of Patron. It was funny. My mom had a face mask on and she was drinking Patron. I was like, that is self-care. That is the epitome of self-care. Fuck sleep. Just put a face mask on and get drunk. Bitch! What the hell? Get the fuck away. Where's my cat at? My cat is in my room and she's not fucking getting this hoe. It's like really bad. Whatever. Oh my god, I should do my eyeliner like this all the time. Actually, I shouldn't. Well, maybe without this. No, I look like a crackhead. Don't do it, girl. Alright. Now to do the other eye. I don't want to. I really don't want to. There's a fly on me. Now I'm paranoid that the fucking fly is gonna be on me because that bitch is attacking me. Ah! That came out janky as hell. I think I made it too thick. Whatever. Nothing could be too thick in this house. Except, I was gonna say except to me, but I'm the opposite of thick, so stick. I just like copy and paste, you know? I'm like trying to look at my eyes at the same time, close, so I can see if they're the same. Girl, is you dumb? I'll do little actual eyes now. I'm gonna change the colors of the pupils just because I want to. Just to make it like my own, I guess. Butters is right here. You can see her tail. Butters, show your face. Look the other way. Ay, qué linda. Ay, qué linda. Qué preciosa, niña. What you want? You got your little hot beans on me. I'm just gonna use the blush that I normally use. We're gonna have to finish this before the sun goes down. Oh, that looks crazy. Whoops. Anime girls always have crazy blush, don't they? Or am I tripping? I put too much on my brush. Gets more. I don't know how it looks. Kinda just want black lipstick. So we're gonna use Friday from ColourPop. I never get to wear it because I'm a pussy. I was like, yeah, this is so cool, I'm totally gonna wear it, and then I like barely wear it. Of course I have to be an evil anime girl. Everything on this channel is evil. If your mom didn't like you reading Harry Potter, then you probably shouldn't watch this either. Or any of my videos. Except my vlog videos. They're not like creepy, I guess. I don't know. Oh my god, I have to put on my wig really quick. Oh my god. NANI?!